2014 Ram 1500 lifted. Got some really nice wheels on it. This is just off his dirt road, guys. He didn't even go mudding. It looks like he did, but he didn't. Anyways, what we got done on for him. It's got stock converters there and there. Then it goes into a factory Y. Then 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. Then what we did is a FLOWMASTER Super 44, part number 943045. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want it. There it is, right there. And then we did 2.5-inch tailpipe. We cut off his 3-inch to make it a little bit deeper, louder. And then put a 5-inch rolled black tip. It looks so much nicer when we do those on those. Instead of the factory stuff you guys see right here. The muffler, resonator, there's the 2 pieces of tailpipe right there. So there it is. Black badging, really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. FLOWMASTER Super 44. Let you guys hear it. Go ahead. Perfect. It's not too much. I think if we would have went with the 10, it would have been too loud. Yeah. You see how deep it is in that flow 44? Here's sound decibels. Again. Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. Go ahead and back it up. That's beautiful. It's a good looking Ram, sorry. Heavy, baby. That sounds so good. If you don't want a lot of drone and stuff, go with the Super 44.